Hello guys, this is my final project on CS50W web programming with Python and JavaScript. The title of my project is Ferrari Models Showcase and Shopping. Let's go to the project to show you the functionality of my web application. So first of all, this is the homepage or the main page of my web application, as you can see, and below you can see the Ferrari models here. Actually, I implement some models in the database that the admin can add new Ferrari models here with just a title, description, and a photo like this. For example, if you click on the more info for Ferrari, you can see in the Ferrari 2014 page is the description here, and if you click on this, you can also see the other model Aperta 2017 LaFerrari, and this, and click on it to go back here. So let's go back to the Ferrari page, the main page actually. So let's go login into my web application. From the menu, click on the login, and as you can see, the login form, sign up form, and the sign up form for creating new accounts. And the other thing you can do is to log in with your Google account. For example, go here, click on the G button, continue, and now you can log in with your Google account from here into my web application. And the other thing I want to show you, if the user accidentally forget his password or something else, you can click on the forget password from here and enter the email address, and we send a reset link for reset his password with an expiration of 10 minutes for the security purpose and something like that. So let's go back to the login, and I want to log in with the super user accounts, the admin accounts. Sign in, click on sign in. As you can see, if the user login into his account, you can see the shopping cart, and in the menu, the shopping cart, his username, and for the admin user, you can see the admin panel also here and access the admin panel from here. To log in, we can access the shopping cart here. From here, click on it, and you can see the shopping cart that I added 2 items here, and we can remove it from here, and the shopping cart is now empty. And if you want to add again and this again, click on the more info, and in the cart page we can see the buy button and add to cart button for both of them actually. Click on the buy, and it redirects me to this page, like as the shopping cart page. And if you click on the checkout, it shows me this. And if we increase the quantity or decrease the quantity, it changed the total prices real time. Click on the checkout here again. So let's go back to the home page. The other thing I want to show you is the FAQ page. You can access from the menu. If I click on this, you can see this, your questions with the answer if you click on it. And so for accessing the admin panel for the admin user or super user, if you click on this, we can customize the admin panel, and if you click on this, go back here. And this application is also mobile responsive, as you can see. And the shopping cart is also like this, and the FAQ. And if you log out from here, go to the login page, it's also like this. I hope you enjoyed that. This was CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. I hope this project is satisfied all of the requirements of the CS50 Capstone projects.